Hey gamers, are you ready to step up your game and maximize your earnings in Pulse Donate? Whether you're here to showcase your creativity, fund your dream projects, or simply rack up those Robux donations, this video is your ultimate guide. Today, I'm bringing you the latest and most effective codes that can help you stand out, attract donors, and make your booth shine like never before. These codes are your secret weapon to unlock exclusive perks, boosts, and customization options that'll make your setup impossible to ignore. Imagine turning your donation booth into a magnet for generosity and earning more Robux than ever before. Sounds exciting, right? So stick around, grab a notepad if you need to, and let's dive into these game-changing codes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you're always ahead of the game with the latest tips and tricks. Now, let's get started. Your Robux journey is about to hit the next level.